Welcome back, friends. I'm so excited you are here. Today we have the cutest crafts using these tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. We're also going to be using pipe cleaners in the brown tone and some googly eyes, as well as some pom-poms. These are in the red. We're also going to be using these tiny little hooks. I get these on Amazon in a little pack. We're going to use my wire cutters. You can also use scissors. And we're going to use my hot glue. My little kiddos will be helping us, so say hi to them. And we're going to get started. So we're each going to grab a tumbling tower block in the color of the darker tone. And then we're going to attach the little hook right to the top. Just very carefully screw it on. My little one needed help, so I helped him with that one. Today we are making little tiny ornaments in lieu of Christmas in July. And so we are going to add these little antlers to the top. We're going to split this or cut it into 3 equal parts, and then we're going to shape it into a V shape and then just kind of zigzag each end, just like we're doing here. Basically, you just want it to look like a V and then little antlers on top. Then we're going to add a little dab of hot glue right on the top in front of the little hook and attach the V right there. My daughter has this one under control, and then I did help my little one with the hot glue, and basically he just placed it right there in the front. So easy, so fun to make these with your kiddos. All right, so now it is time to add the googly eyes. So we are want to start with 2 each. You can get whatever size you need. These are not the tiniest one we had, but we want them to make them a little bigger. So we're going to add with a little dab of hot glue towards the top of the ornament. And then my daughter's going to do the same thing. And again, I'm going to help my son with his, just adding a very, very little tiny bit of hot glue. And then he's going to do the attaching of it. There he is. All right, so then of course we got to add a nice bright red nose, and that's why we needed the red pom-poms. If you do not have the red pom-poms, you can definitely just paint it one on or whatever you want. So we're just going to add again a little dab of hot glue and place the nose right there underneath the eyes, and the same thing with the other 2. This is such an easy craft. This is it, my friends. Of course, you can add any string you want to be able to hang on the tree. Look how cute they look, and I'll show you the final reveal. We're going to make another ornament. This time we're going to use the lighter tone blocks, a red marker, as well as a black marker, and a white marker, and then a gold marker. You can also use glitter if you have that instead. We are going to use 3 of these white pom-poms, 1 each, and then again the little hooks and some googly eyes. We're also going to use my scissors. We're going to also use some of this pillow stuffing, and I forgot to show you, we are going to be needing red construction paper. Once again, we're going to attach the little hook on the top of them by simply just tightening it up there and then screwing it on the top. And then we're going to start painting or coloring the 1/3. So the bottom 1/3 of the block we're going to do in the red. You can also use paint if that's what you have, but the marker was a little cleaner, and my kiddos are going to do the same exact thing. We're creating little Santa ornaments. Now this one looked a little bit more like an elf, per my kids' opinion. You're going to have to let me know what you think. We're also going to do the very, very, very top of the ornament, just a tiny little bit. And then we are going to start adding the belt. We're going to take the black marker, and we're just going to make a little belt right around that section in the middle where the red and the wood tone meet. And again, my kiddos are going to do the same exact thing. All right, so now we are going to add a gold belt buckle. And again, this is where you can do glitter. If you have that, just add a little dab of glue and some glitter, and it'll look super cute. But the silver or the gold marker worked well. The googly eyes, once again, just the same thing, just adding them towards the top, and then help your little ones, of course, make sure that they are safe doing it. So just a little dab goes a long way. All right, so now it's time to make a little buttons. So we're just going to take the white marker. We're going to make little buttons. You can also add a couple dots of white paint if you choose. Here's that red construction paper. We're going to cut a strip that's the same width as the block. Cut it into about 1-inch strips, give or take, and then cut that into a triangle just like that. I'm going to cut 3 of them because that's how many we're making. I'm going to add a little tiny little strip of hot glue, and then we are going to do the same thing on the other 2. And then those little white pom-poms that we had in the beginning, or that I showed you, we're going to add on the top. And this is when my kids were like, they look like elves. Anyways, I kind of agree too, but hey, we'll do the best here. All right, so we're just adding the pom-pom, and then we're going to take that little pillow stuffing. We're just going to make what will look like, I guess, like a beard. I don't know. We're going to hot glue it right there in between the belt and the eyes. And that's about it, my friends. What do you think? Oh, these will be great to play with as well as to hang on your tree. This is us just being goofy and playing with them. But here's the final reveal. All of them are friends now. They're so stinking cute. You can make as many as you need or want. Let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite? And let me know if you want to recreate this one. I have another video here for you with tons more fun crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.